Church leaders have emphasized this relevance. The Archbishop of the Church of Uganda, the Most Reverend Dr. Stephen Samuel Kazimba Mgalu, shares that Martyrs' Day is a spiritual celebration of sacrifice, faith, and unity. Moreover, the Martyrs' story plays a pivotal role in Uganda's interfaith harmony. Despite their different denominations, Catholic and Anglicans commemorate the martyrs on the same day, a testament to unity amidst diversity.
Brothers and sisters, this is not just an event, it is a spiritual pilgrimage. It's a spiritual journey. Uganda Martyrs' Day reminds us of the power of faith, sacrifice, and unity in Christ. It is a day when we proclaim the gospel boldly, inspired by the legacy of the 45 younger men who gave their lives for Christ. But also it should be noted, there are some women who were not captured, like Omumbeja Narumansi.
This year, under the Anglican Church, the dioceses from the Northern Uganda cluster are spearheading the organization of the Martyrs' Day celebrations. These include the Diocese of Northern Uganda, Diocese of Madi and West Nile, Diocese of Nebi, Diocese of Lango, Diocese of West Lango, and the Diocese of Kitgum.
We want to warmly receive you. Preparations are going very well, and things are okay. We want to encourage you to participate by contributing, by praying, by also being part of this celebration. Things are in high gear. May the Lord bless you as we come together so that we can celebrate people who have given their lives for their faith.
I am here today to invite all of you to come and be part of this year's Uganda Martyrs celebrations that will be held on the 3rd of June at Namugongo. We will be led by His Grace, the Archbishop of the Church of Uganda, but the Greater Northern Uganda Diocese is your host. And we welcome all of you from all walks of life. May the Lord bless you as you plan to come and be part of these celebrations.
As Uganda looks ahead, the Uganda Martyrs remain more than just historical figures. They are icons of resistance against oppression, symbols of faith over fear, and perhaps most importantly, a call to Ugandans, young and old, to live purposefully, lead justly, and never compromise their deepest convictions.